Welcome to Days Inn by Wyndham Rock Falls, the right place for convenient comfort in the Sauk Valley. You'll find us within easy reach of nearby towns including Dixon, Morrison, Sterling, and more. You can trust us for value and comfort. We feature pleasing amenities that include free Wi-Fi, a free light breakfast, indoor heated pool, guest laundry facilities, business center, meeting and event space, and more. We also provide 24-hour desk service so you can always check in or out on your schedule and get assistance when you need it. When you select us instead of one of the other Rock Falls Sauk Valley hotels, you'll get the best overall experience and convenience to Hennepin Canal State Park, Rock River Golf and Pool, Cross Creek Golf Course, Crystal Lake, and more. Don't forget about Dillon House Museum and Lincoln Manahan Home Museum too. We look forward to serving you soon at Days Inn, the right place to stay for business or pleasure. Please make your reservation now through this website for excellent availability and the best rates for our clean, comfortable room. We'll see you soon. daysinrockfalls.com